Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Look at all these cool monster trucks we found today. Let's check them out. Whoa, we got Swine and Dash. That's a really cool one. It's a Monster Jam food truck. It's got wheelie hot ribs, big rig pig, coleslaw, E85 red, and BK iced tea. That's pretty neat. And check this out. We got Max D over here, but it's a Frost Max D. Whoa, look at this. It's Radical Racer. It's one of my favorites. It looks like it's chewing on some grass. Do you see that? Chomp, chomp, chomp. We got Hot Wheels Racing number 84. That's pretty cool. Ooh, Necessary Roughness. Check this one out. It's Hamburger Delivery. Or Burger Delivery. Ooh, it's Axel from the Dirt Squad. It's the dump truck. And check this out. It's Blue Thunder. And who's this? It's Buzz Lightyear. And Scooby-Doo. Check this out over here. It's Volkswagen Drag Bus. We got Son of a Digger over here too. Wait, another Volkswagen Drag Bus? Wow, that's so cool. Let's check out the differences. This one has gray tires or rims. This one has black rims. I don't see any other differences. Do you? This one's a little bit more scuffed up. And check this one out over here. It's Thunder Bus. I really like Thunder Bus. I think it's a cool van. Monster truck. Alright, let's line all these up. I got Thunder Bus. Son of a Digger. We'll put the two Volkswagen drag buses next to each other. So there's 1, 2. What about Axel? Axel can go right here. Then we got Blue Thunder. Scooby-Doo. Burger Delivery. Necessary Roughness. Hot Wheels Racing number 84. Buzz Lightyear. Radical Racer. Swine and Dash. And Frost Max D. Watch out, this one will freeze you. Which one was your favorite today? Swine and Dash was my favorite. Hey, how many did we find today? Do you know? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 different monster trucks. That's a lot of monster trucks. I don't know. Swine and Dash is pretty cool, but Axel, the dump truck one, is pretty cool too. Look at that. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you next time.